this up and down weather has us thinking about spring one day and our furnaces the next. Fortunately, home comfort experts can help us with both. Gary's here to talk about it all. Listen, I feel like my head's spinning around. Yeah. It's 50 degrees one day and feels like minus 50 the next.
It was beautiful on the way into the studio. And
the sun at least is out,
The sun
right?
is out, yeah. Makes you think about spring. Makes you think about having to use your air conditioner.
I'm not quite there with the air conditioner.
You're not quite with the air conditioner yet? Well, we're training for that season already. You know, we're getting prepared for it. Homeowners should be getting prepared for it as well. If you haven't called to schedule an air conditioning maintenance, believe it or not, I can't believe it either. It's time to really start thinking about that. Get it scheduled ahead. Everybody wants to have their air conditioner maintenance done in the spring, you know, the May, June, July time slot. It's not always possible. We can't get to everybody, but as long as you have it done once a year and get it cleaned out so it's running at its peak efficiency, that's what's most important, you know, that we catch anything before it breaks down.
The thing I think about when it comes to spring is the allergies, the just gross stuff that's all in the air. And we've talked about this before. The area we live in is really good for that kind of stuff. One thing that you guys can do to help us with that is the whole duct cleaning.
Duct cleaning. It's something that we can do year-round, and like you said, we have talked about this numerous times before. A lot of people think that you know, you can't do it in the wintertime. In the wintertime, everybody closes up their home. Your indoor air is 100 times more polluted than outdoor air.
Right.
Okay, that comes from various different things: pets, people, you know, kids running around, you know, that type of thing. Your ductwork is a good place for that stuff to get stuck and hide. And the only way to get that out of there is to have a duct cleaning.
We were just talking about it before you came on during the commercial break. Believe it or not, it's almost time for the home show. I think everybody looks forward to that because it's like a sign that spring really is coming.
That spring is coming in. You know, over the past few years, the weather has varied so much come home show time. It's been really, really nice, really, really cold. But yeah, please, you know, if you're coming out the home show, look for home comfort experts. You're not going to be able to miss us, to be honest with you. You're
right there.
We're going to be right inside the door as you come in. Booth numbers are 107, 109, 206, and 208. We got a nice big spot this year. Come in, talk to myself, technicians. If you have questions about your heating and air conditioning system, that's a great time to get some free advice. You know, if you have maybe want new equipment, there's going to be somebody to talk to then too.
And I feel like it's a low pressure time to talk to somebody.
Oh,
sometimes
absolutely.
you're like, well, I really have some questions I'm thinking about, but I don't want to call anybody because I feel like it's high pressure. This is like so low pressure, low key. You can just ask your questions and figure out whether or not you need something.
Yeah, you know, come on, you know, up to the booth. We'll answer any question that you have. It's a good, like you said, it's good low-key time, laid back. Everybody's having a good time at the home show. Ask us questions about your furnace, air conditioner, indoor air quality. We'll have a furnace and air conditioner sitting out there for you to look at. So if you makes you think of something, that's a good time.
Now there is still time for us to take advantage of the winter sale, right?
It is, you know, up through April 30th, where if you buy an air conditioner at the full cost, the furnace is free. You pay for the labor to put it in, okay? And now we've added something onto that to where you can get a free filter upgrade, which means that you have a filter that will help you with those allergies that you know, occur year-round, to be honest.
Perfect for the spring that's coming. I feel like we need to rename it because it makes me sad that it's called a winter sale and it lasts through April.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it can't be winter.
That's right.
April.
There was one other thing that actually happened today. What is that?
Rude.
Didn't you turn 29 today?
I did turn 29. Let's go with that. Yeah,
all right.
Yeah.
I'll stick with that because I know I'll get in trouble if I don't.
You will. He is not going to tell you my real age, but thank you for telling everyone that it's my birthday. I appreciate it. As always,
welcome.
Gary comes through for the team. Hey, you can come through for your home team, the people that live in your house with a new furnace and air conditioner. All you have to do is call Home Comfort Experts today, 490-5100. We'll be right back.